Get ready for your next adventure with the convertible multifunctional balaclava from Gears, designed to adapt to your every need, whether you're working or embracing outdoor adventures. Our balaclava isn't just a piece of headwear, it's a multifunctional marvel. Wear it as a full balaclava for complete coverage, transform it into a head wrap for a lighter touch, or pull it down and use it as a neck tube. This flexibility makes it an ideal companion for various activities and environments. Crafted from extremely soft, four-way stretch microfiber, this balaclava is not just about versatility, but also about providing optimal warmth and windproof protection. Whether you're cruising on a motorcycle, riding a snowmobile, or enjoying a brisk morning ATV ride, it keeps you comfortably warm. We understand that comfort is crucial. That's why we designed this balaclava with flat seams, eliminating pressure points on your head. The design is one size fits all, ensuring maximum comfort no matter how long you wear it, suitable for any head size. This product is machine washable, ensuring it's always ready for your next adventure. Add to cart and seize your adventure.